welcome to Home Magic by me and my mom. This is Nutna Ananya. Today I'm so excited to share with you the making of this beautiful craft item. Have you observed the frock of this lovely doll? It's made out of tissue papers. Yes, this is actually a tissue paper holder. Isn't it so creative and beautiful? Me and my mom made this frog type tissue holder just in few minutes. It's very easy. Let's get into the making. All we need are very few items. You need a doll. I picked this from one of my old dolls. A cardboard. A cutter and scissors. Of course, some tissue papers. A compass for making a perfect circle. A small cardboard box or anything similar to that for making its space. That's it. Take a piece of cardboard and draw 2 circles as shown. Let's separate the circle from cardboard. Oh, this cardboard seems to be so hard for me to cut. Let me ask my mom to do. I took the diameter of smaller circle as 3 centimeters and for bigger circle it's 10 centimeters. Make a hole in the middle so that it fits perfectly around the waist of your doll. Now, gently give some slits to the circle without touching the inner hole. Oh, it seems to be so hard. Let me take my mom's help. See that the slit is enough in depth so as to hold the tissue paper firmly without falling. Ensure to make small gap between each slit to insert the paper conveniently. Now, in order to insert this circle to the waist of your doll, just give an opening at one place and gently and carefully insert the circle around the waist of your doll. Make 2 holes to the cardboard box and adjust the legs of the doll. You can also decorate the box with some gift wrap papers to enhance the beauty. It works like a stand. Fold some tissues as shown here. Now it's time to insert the tissues into the slits. Colorful tissues look even more beautiful as it looks like a beautiful and colorful frock. This is how I arranged all the tissues. Carefully adjust the circle around the waist of your doll. Don't forget to join the open ends. That's it! It's all over! See how beautiful it is? Just place it on your dining table for all your food arrangements, or you can even place in your living room. It looks awesome and so special. That's a perfect tissue holder, right? I actually don't want to pluck the tissues from this doll. It is that cute. Hope you all liked this idea and you can all give a try too. Please give a like and subscribe this channel. See you soon with an interesting video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.